Creating a Cloudways account is a simple process that allows you to host your applications on their cloud platform. Here's how to do it. Visit the Cloudways website. Go to the Cloudways website. Start free trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button located on the homepage. This will take you to the registration page. Fill out registration form. You can sign up using your email address or by connecting your Google, GitHub or Facebook account. If using email, enter your email address and create a secure password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Verify your email address. After submitting the registration form, check your email for a verification link from Cloudways. Click on the link to verify your email address. Complete profile setup. After verification, you may be prompted to complete your profile. Fill in the required information, including your name and company details. Select your cloud provider. Once your account is set up, log into your Cloudways dashboard. You can then select your preferred cloud provider and configure your first server. Start using Cloudways. After setting up your server, you can deploy applications and manage your hosting environment.